Yo, Wagwan, YouTube, it's your boy Click, man. Today we're gonna be reacting to Avatar. I know you guys seen that they just dropped a new movie. I'm super amped for that. So, we're just gonna be watching that trailer and giving our opinions on, and giving my opinion, sorry, about what this film looks like it's gonna be bringing, man. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, and drop a like and comment down below and let me know what you think of the trailer, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. Loki, so people tell me I look like avatars. Do you see it? No? Alright. Yeah, that could be me. Jeez. Oh, this is Zoe. Oh, wait, she's pregnant? Nobody told me that Zoe. Nah, bro. Who got her pregnant, bro? You guys gotta rewrite this shit. She should not be getting. Nah, bro. Zoe. Nah.
Dad, I know you think I'm crazy.
Never mind those big rocks.
But I feel her.
Yo, the graphics go crazy.
I hear her heartbeat.
Honestly,
So
Avatar
close.
was so long ago. I honestly don't even. I think I'm gonna have to rewatch the other Avatar to like reacquaint myself with it because I don't remember exactly what happened. But the graphics do look similar so far. They look clean. You know what I'm saying? This is a regular monitor I'm watching it on. I don't know how it looks for you guys, but damn, I think it's white too. Must be using that what you call that? That bamboo or one of those things that they chew on in the jungle.
So what does her heartbeat sound like?
Mighty.
Jeez. Honestly, yo, I always wonder like how do people come up with the ideas of these guys are some good writers, to be honest, like the animals and stuff and how they're gonna look and stuff. Like this must be a lot of work that goes into something like this. But look at the scene, bro. Like the graphics are there. The water is on him glistening. That shit is crazy. Forest fire.
We
Whoa.
cannot let you bring your war here.
Outcast. That's all they see.
I see you.
The way of water.
Even in the world of the Avatar, it seems that there is some, prejudice or colorism or some shit. Cause these niggas look the same. What you mean? We can't let you bring our war here. You guys are the same. You don't even know if I live here too. What do you mean?
All things.
Oh, I take it back. That nigga is a little bit lighter green than the other guys.
Before your birth. And after your death.
This is our home!
I need you with me. And I need you to be strong. Strong heart.
We outside with it. The way of water. There's a lot of good movies coming out right now, right? Like December 16th, that's a good time, man. The theater's gonna be jumping. Honestly, I do like the movie. It does seem like the story. I think the story before was well written. This one seems well written too, and obviously the graphics only got better from the first one. So I'm definitely amped about that. Definitely amped about that. Let me know what you guys think about it though, man. Let me know in the comments, man. And do not forget to turn on post notifications and subscribe, man. I'll see you guys later.